Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing, or should I say, we're going to be using the Apres, the entire Apres set except the tips. I was planning on using the sculpted coffin medium length. Guys, I don't like it, and I'll explain at the end of the video why. The gel tips that we are going to use, and they are real gel tips, are by EnailCouture.com. These are the almond shape. You get 250 pieces, and they're called 1, 2, 3 Go Soft Gel Nail Extensions. I will leave a link where you can purchase these down below, but I did go ahead and purchase the entire Apres kit that I showed in a haul video for you guys. I did buy this with my own money. It was not sent to me. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was. But anyways, let's open it up and I'm going to show you everything that we're going to be using in this video. Like I said, we're not using the tips. We're trying out their little LED light. I did not use the file. I used the pH bonder, which is number 1, the primer, which is number 2, and the extend gel, which is number 3. And then we are going to use the top coat once I do my nails. And then it also has your how-to card, which you guys will see me use this. It tells you exactly how to do it step by step, which I've been following it anyways. That's how I've been doing the Apres nails, even the dupes. I am going to leave my playlist down below of all the Apres nails I've done, and the dupes, and the soaking off. We will be also soaking these off. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. If you're all are ready for the ride, continue to keep watching, grab a drink, grab some snacks, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, we have all of these buffed and they are done. And I actually wore them all day today and half of the day yesterday, and they're doing really, really good. So now we are going to finish this side. I have already prepped the nails, pushed back the cuticles, got them clean. I did prep my EnailCouture Real Gel nail tips. I buffed the inside surface where it's going to go on the nail plate. So I've got them all ready. Now the first step you are going to do when you're working with the Apres system, which the only thing we're not doing is the Apres nails. I did those last few times and I wanted to try the EnailCouture. So with the first step, this is your pH bonder and dehydrator. So we're gonna take that, and this goes just all over the plate, all over the nail plate. It's like it's kind of like if you would use alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. That's kind of what you're doing here. You're just putting it all over the nail to take off any oils. So that's that. The next step is your primer. Okay, and this is the Apres Gel X primer, acid free. You're going to put the primer over the entire nail plate, making sure you don't touch the skin. Okay, you can do this once or you can do this twice, whatever your preference is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do it again, guys, and then we'll be back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the next step here is our extend gel, and what we're going to do with it first is we're going to add a thin layer of it as like a base gel, and then you're going to cure for 30 to 60 seconds in your LED UV lamp. And I am using a 48 watt Medina LED UV lamp. Now with this gel, you're going to want to scrub it into the nail plate. But you don't want a whole lot on there. Get as close to the cuticle as you can without touching it. And then you're going to pull it up that nail Alright. So now that that is on my nail, I'm going to just flash cure that real quick. So it's not going to go anywhere when I turn my other hand, when I turn my fingers around and go like this. I don't want it to, you know. So we're just going to flash cure it. Alright, now we're going to move on to the next nail. You're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to take it at the cuticle. Like I said, you don't need a whole lot of this on your brush. We're just adding a base layer. Now, it's not like a slip layer when you don't cure it. This, you're going to cure. You always want to make sure to cure your base layer. But what you're going to do is like rub it into the nail plate. Scrub it like you're scrubbing a plate. Alright, I'm working on my middle finger now. I'm scrubbing that gel into the nail plate, making sure it gets all those little crevices. Pulling it up to the free edge of the nail. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Alright, and as you let your finger set, it's gonna self-level after it sets for a few seconds. Alright, so keep continuing to scrub that base layer into the nail plate. Just scrub, scrub, scrub. Pull it up to the free edge. And one more. And then we will do a 30-second cure in the lamp. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to pop it into my lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, it has been in there for 30 seconds. It's cured. Now it's time to have fun. Now it's time to put on the tips. Now, just like with this side, I'm going to hold this in my mouth. It's just a lot easier. And then when it's time to cure, I will move it over the nail, flash cure, and then we will fully cure at the very end. Okay, so I do go ahead and turn my light on. I leave it upside down so it's not curing any gels. I take my first tip. I take the Apres Extend Gel. Now again, with this step, you do not have to put a lot of gel in here. It doesn't take a lot. You're going to set it down, roll it in, roll it from side to side. That's all you need, guys. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Huh? Alright, so right now you're seeing me flash cure this. And there we have it. There's one nail. There's no air bubbles in this one. None. All I gotta do is clean the sides up a bit. Right here a little bit, and then right here a little bit. Alright, so let's do this one more time, guys. I'm gonna take my pointer. This time I'm gonna add more gel. Just a little bit more right here. Okay, just like so. Put the flashlight in my mouth, and we're going to go at a 45-degree angle and press down and make sure all of the air bubbles are out of the nail tip. Okay. All right, there we go. We got it. Flash cure. I'll clean that up in a bit. Okay. Let me back up now that you guys have saw me do that. Now we're going to take the Extend Gel again. I'm going to wipe my brush on it. Pull it from side to side. Flip it. Get your light. All right, there's that one. Flash cure. All right, get the next one. Do the same thing you just did. Pull down. Swipe over. Get your light. And flash cure it. All right, look at that, guys. We've got them going on. All right, we got one more to do. Then what I'm gonna do is file, buff them, and come back and show you what they look like. All right, here we go. One more. That was easy, guys. If I can do this, you guys can do this. You do not have to buy these tips. I do have a dupe video on how to do this, and it is also in my playlist of the Apres Gel X nails. Also, with these real gel nails, you can soak them off rather than filing them if you prefer, which I really like the option. Now I'm going to take my lamp, my 48 watt lamp, and I'm going to set it for 60 seconds, and we're going to cure these for 60. I'm going to go in with my e-file and clean up around where the gel came out a little bit. I'm going to buff them with a buffing block, and then we're going to come back. So give me 1 second and I'll be back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for this video. That is a wrap. Let me show you. Look at that. I went ahead, filed, shaped, and buffed these. Got them ready for gel polish or glitters or whatever I decide to use. Yeah, I like them. I really like these nails, guys. Now, the one thing that the EnailCouture does not have yet are the refills. Someone had pointed that out to me. They do not have the refills for these yet. But when you buy the whole pack, you get 250 nail tips, okay? And there's quite a bit in each number. I don't exactly know how many is in each one, but I'm sure it will tell you on their website if you go and check them out. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase these nails and the Apres kit. Now, the Apres kit, of course, is expensive, so like I said, go and check out my dupe video. You can use any tips. You can use any builder gel, any kind of like soak off gel. You can even use a base coat. It works, guys. It works fabulous. So that's it. I gotta see how these wear, and you know, after we polish them and wear them a couple weeks, then I'll let you guys know how they are. I'll give you like a 2 or 3 week update video on these, and then after that we are going to be soaking these off. Now what I may do, guys, is go ahead and do a fill with these, like let them grow out, do a fill, wear something a little bit, you know, wear something for a couple weeks, another design, then do the soak off video, because I want to get some good wear out of these. And I know you guys want a soak off video with these that I got from Dollar Tree, but I really want to wear these tips for a while to see how they are. I will say, however, the Apres Coffin regulars, not the sculpted, the regulars are one of my favorites. I didn't honestly care for the stilettos just because they're stilettos and I don't wear stilettos a lot. Now these are very similar to stilettos, but these are the almond shape, and I may even make them more almond and shape them a little more. I don't know, we'll see. But what I am going to be doing, I am going to be throwing the Gel X Coffin Sculpted medium size Apres nail tips in the giveaway. That's right, guys, I am. This is a brand new set. Brand new. I haven't used any of the nail tips. Look at that. I do not like the sculpted. And I know a few of you had said something to me about the sculpted ones. I don't care for them. That's my opinion. They don't go on the nail as easy as the regular coffin or stilettos. They have like a humongous gap where these would be great with acrylic. They would be awesome. If you like acrylic and you do acrylic, this is for you right here. But that is going in the giveaway. So that giveaway video is coming soon, guys. It's for US only right now, but I will be having an international one as well. All right, sorry to bother you guys. Sorry to keep blabbling. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it helps some of you out. If there are any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am always on top of the comments. Like, if I don't get back with you in a couple days, eventually I will. I promise. Eventually I will get back with you if there's a question. I try to get to those right away if there's a question. So, anyway, you guys know how much I appreciate you. I love each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget, smash the like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload another video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.